Max and Mia are so excited. Today, they're heading to the farmer's market. And it's not just for yummy snacks. They're on a mission to learn all about how money works. It's going to be fun. As they walked through the bustling market, the bright red apples at a fruit stall caught their eye. A friendly vendor greeted them with a warm smile. Hello, kids! These delicious apples are $2 each. How many would you like? Max, clutching his money tightly, announced, I have $5. Wait. Max, 2 apples will be $4. Max handed his $5 bill to the vendor. Max looked at the coin and then at the apples. Wow, I gave you $5 and I got $1 back. So, 2 apples cost $4? I get it. Okay, let's try something new. What if we wanted to buy 3 apples? How much would that cost? Max's face scrunched up in thought. Mia. 3 apples. That would be $6. But I only have $5 with me. What do I do now? Let's think together. What are your options? I know. I could either buy fewer apples, just to 4 today, or I could remember to bring more money with me next time we come to the market. With their apples in hand, Mia pointed to a pile of bright oranges. Max, let's compare prices. Okay, that would be $2 for an apple, plus $3 for an orange. That makes $5 in total. Hey, that's exactly how much I had. Max and Mia were really getting the hang of it. He decided to create a fruit salad.
Okay, I bought 1 apple for $2, 1 orange for $3, and a banana for $1. Let's add it up,
2 plus 3 plus 1. That's $6. Now, let's see if you get the right change. Max handed over his money to the friendly vendor. As the vendor counted out the change, he had a final question for Max. Now, for a final puzzle. If you started today with $10 and you just spent $6 on fruit, how much money do you have left? Max didn't even hesitate. I spent 6. So, 10 minus 6 means Max and Mia had an amazing day at the farmer's market. It was a successful first lesson in money smarts. They waved goodbye to the vendor, already excited for their next adventure. And you know what? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning adventures.